Welcome to Don't Lecture Me channel. Today we're playing something really fun. Guess the correct logo of some popular brand or an app. And before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any of our videos. Let's get started. Good luck! Round 1. I like the way your mind works. You are the smartest viewer I've ever seen. Round 2. Hey, who is watching funny videos instead of doing their homework? I admire your ability to solve these puzzles. Round 3. I'm pretty sure you can solve this faster. Round 4. Too many people undervalue what they are and overvalue what they're not. Round 5. I'm proud of you. Do you think it's too easy? Round 6. Never let you down, buddy. If you know you can do better, then do better. Round 7. I really love your smart brain. Don't be lazy, come on, buddy. Round 8. I think that's too easy for you, am I right? You bring light to my life. Round 9. There was a time Einstein couldn't count to 10 either. I am so proud of you. Round 10. I'm glad to have such smartest subscribers as you are. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Don't let your dreams to be dreams. Just do it. Do you already know the answer? I'm pretty sure you can do it. Don't be shy to give an answer in the comments. What a smart person! Please never give up. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon!